I'm Hina Bakar and I am from the company Lucid Energy with a new skill. I'm here to discuss about a technology that is streetlights that glow on detecting vehicle movement. First of all, we'll discuss about the circuit components, circuit diagram, operation of the circuit, applications and advantages. Coming to the introduction. Generally, streetlights are switched on for the whole night and during the day they are switched off. But during the night time, streetlights are not necessary if there is no traffic. Saving of this energy is a very important factor these days as energy resources are getting reduced day by day. This proposed system consists of 80 mega 8 microcontroller, LDR, PIR sensor and RTC. This system controls LED street lights using light dependent resistor and PIR sensor. Coming to the circuit components, it includes 80 MHz microcontroller DS1307 IC, PIR sensor, LDR, LCD, and LED array. Coming to the circuit diagram, this circuit diagram of the streetlights LED shows the LCD, LDR, 80 MHz microcontroller. Then these are the LED array. Then coming to the operation, at first of all initially we power the circuit. LCD displays the time read from the RTC. Place the LDR in darkness. Now the street light is switched on. Now microcontroller continuously checks the time. Street light is switched on for fixed times written on the code. After this time they are switched off automatically. If we place our hand in front of the PIR sensor, this switches the street lights again, indicating that on the detection of any object, street light is on. After 2-3 seconds delay, lights are again switched off automatically. That is, if the PIR sensor senses a vehicle in the street, it switches on the street lights. Then it shows the circuit diagram of this system. Then coming to my circuit components, the circuit components consist of 3 sections: microcontroller section, IR transmitter and receiver section, and at last the load section. Microcontroller section contains 8089C52 microcontroller, 8089C52 programmer board, 11.0592 MHz quartz crystal, 22 PF ceramic capacitor, 2 10K resistor, 10 μF electrolytic capacitor and a push button. Coming to the IR transmitter and receiver section, it includes 8 IR LEDs which are used as the IR transmitters, 8 470R resistor, 8 photodiodes which are the IR receivers, 8 3.3K resistors, 1 K8 resistor pack. Then the load section consists of 8 2N2222 NPN transistors, 8 100R resistors, 8 white LEDs. Then coming to the application of the streetlight system can be used in normal loads, highways, expressways, etc. This project can also be used in parking lots of malls, hotels, industrial lightings, etc. The advantages of this system is that if the lighting system implements more LED lights, the cost of the maintenance can be reduced, as the lifespan and durability of LED is higher than the neon-based lights which are normally used as street lights. As the lights are automatically turned on or off, huge amount of energy can be saved. Here the references I used for making these presentations are www.electronicshub.org and Wikipedia. If you want to know more about this system, you can browse on these websites. Thank you.